Salam Pakistan. Eid Mubarak to all my super fans and friends from me and Just Super 4G, Pakistan's #1 network. See you soon.
Jazz.
Assalamu alaikum. Dil dil can can Pakistan. आपको जलाल al Abdurrahman. Janib say Eid Mubarak.
Hello Pakistan, my name is Ezgi Esma, you know me from Dirilish Ertugrul as Çiçek. I've been receiving a lot of hundreds of messages full of love and kindness and nice words from you. Thank you very much for it. It really touched my heart. When I think about Pakistan, I always think about a very colorful place and kind people, energetic, and I think it's a crowded country, and I like crowded places. It's a bit like Turkey probably, and you know, as they say, it's two countries, one nation, so I think we're close. And after receiving all these messages, it made me think that Turks and Pakistanis are really similar to each other. I really want to come. I don't know when, probably when these traveling restrictions are a little lighter. I wanna come because there are a lot of things that I'm interested in. Pakistan, the culture. I wanna ask you. Right, are you ready? जब मैं पाकिस्तान आऊंगी, क्या आप मुझे चाय पिलाएंगे? Thank you very much again. Thanks a lot and much love to Pakistan. Hope to see you soon. Ciao, bye-bye. Shukriya, Pakistan.
Incredible response you are giving to Ertugrul Ghazi Urdu by PTV. And also I would like to thank PTV for bringing Ertugrul Ghazi to you all. आपसे मेरी तरफ से Eid Mubarak. Salam olsun brothers and sisters. Salam olsun Pakistan.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. मेरे पाकिस्तानी भाइयों और बहनों, पाकिस्तान में दिल्ली एर्तुगरुल ड्रामे को बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद आने पर मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा खुशी है। मैं पाकिस्तानी वज़ीर आज़म जनाब इमरान खान का बहुत ज़्यादा शुक्रिया अदा करना चाहता हूँ। पाक Türk dosti जिंदाबाद, जिवे जिवे पाकिस्तान, जिवे जिवे Türkiye.